How to report account on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is, you have to head over to the profile of the person that you want to report. Let's say I want to report this account. Head over to their profile. And then click on this share icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will get to see the option of report at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it. Now you have to state the reason on why you want to report this account. From all of these options, if the reason matches, then click on it. You can also click on Other. So choose the specific reason in order to report the account. Once the reason has been stated, tap on Submit at the bottom. And there you go, the report has been submitted to TikTok support. Now they will review your report and take action if there is a violation of their community guidelines. After that, their account will get banned. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can report an account on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.